Hi, welcome back to This Darn Chick. I'm Kim. I'm going to show you today a quick tutorial on how to make a journal, just a little writing journal, instead of going out and buying one. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of paper here, any size that you want. Usually I'm going to do like an 8.5 by 11, okay, is what I'm going to do. The outer cover, all right, is a like scrap that I have here that you can get Hobby Lobby, Michael's, wherever that you get any of your scrapbook papers. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this is gonna be your outer cover, okay? So you're gonna match it up to your first piece of paper, and this is just coffee paper right here, okay? Make sure you have a little bit, like a little slicer that's over here. You're gonna take it, fold it in half, all the way down, okay? And you're gonna do this several times, all right? So, and then once you're done, okay, you're gonna take each one of these, you're gonna open it back up to like a full sheet of paper, okay? And you're just gonna take these right here, and right here, okay? And we're just gonna take them and we're gonna put them aside. Once you do that, your outside of your book cover, you're gonna wanna measure the same. So what I usually do is just go ahead, fold it over, set my paper on the inside, okay? Then fold my outer cover over top of that. And you could use a bone folder. I'm just using my thumb for right now, okay? Open it back up. You want to kind of take a pen and mark it about where these papers are going to end, okay? Take it over to your slicer here. This is from Paper Studio. That's where I got mine at. I believe I got it at Michael's. Slice it straight all the way down. Sometimes you have to kind of go back and forth with it to get that last piece there. Set this to the side, okay? Then you got your outer journal cover. That right there, you see that? I gotta cut that because I sliced it just a little bit too much there. So just go back if you make a mistake, okay? Because like I said, this is just for you to have little journal books to put inside your bag, your computer bag, or whatever. So see, here is the outside of my cover. All right. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold these open, the inside here, each one of them. So I'm gonna continue to fold sheets of paper. Move this out of the way here really fast. Continue to fold over my sheets of paper. And you can fold several at a time. All right, like I say, you can use your bone folder, you know, you can use your scissors, whatever you want to use. I just use my fingers here. Fold it over, stack it in the middle, okay? And you can do this several times, as many sheets of paper as you want for this, okay? Let's go ahead, let's do a couple more here. Because these are basically, they're just, you know, disposable little journals. Okay, get right here. So I think that'll be enough. There's a little bit more than like 10 sheets here. Fold it back again. There we go. You just want to make sure that you crease that corners all the way down. Open it back up. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to center, or try to center this area here. Because what we're gonna do next is we're gonna use our sewing machine and we're gonna sew all the way down this stitch. So let's take it over to my sewing machine and then we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew all the way down this little crease. I've got my settings here on 2. I'm working with the Brother Embroidery and Sewing Machine. So, see, it's brother. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew right down this crease here. And you wanna do it slow. I'm gonna speed mine up just for time's sake, okay? And you'll hear this bump, 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 bump. Well, that's just because it's going through paper, all right? Pull it out. Let's take it back over here to the table. Okay, so now we're back over here to the table. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to cut off some of my strings here that I've got from my thread, okay? We're gonna take it, fold it over, same thing again. Let's get all my threads out of the way, okay? And because I did this with one hand, it's not gonna look the way I really want it, but it serves the purpose. So what you can go back, okay, once your small little journal is done, you can actually go back and you can trim along these lines right through here. If you think that it's a little bit too bulky up through here, just go back with your paper cutter, okay, and then trim along those lines, all right? So let's go ahead and do that. See if I can get this over there. You can see me. There we go. Normally, let's take it, put this back up here. Now it's gonna be a little bit thicker, so it may give me a time here. But you can kind of go back over it and slice out some of those. And whenever that you didn't get, you could just kind of pull off there, whatever. But these are like easy ways to get a really cute, make your own cute little journals, you know? Go here. I don't know where my larger scissors are at, but anyways, let's go ahead and just kind of cut this little lip off here. All right, so normally you have that right there. All right, so here's the outside of it. You can actually go ahead, you can decorate it, put some stickers on it. You open it up, okay, you've got your first page here. Start, you know, writing in it, doing whatever you want to do with it. Let me see if I can find some stickers here. I've got a few little sticker packs, like these are the ones that I made from my silhouette. I put it in actually, I have a video that's actually on it, so you'll kind of see it. But anyways, you can actually pull one of these little stickers off, whatever you want to do. I mean, I try to cut around mine just a little bit more, even though it did cut it. I don't think it, my cutting machine, I think I had it on a different setting or something because it didn't cut out the way I wanted it. But that's okay, that's, you know, still got myself a nice little set of stickers here, little holographic stickers, okay? And you can just kind of decorate it with your own stickers, or if you want to line your own paper, or if you just want to sit and just kind of, you know, for the day, if you just want to go ahead and just kind of like maybe write something for the day that maybe you had a hard day or whatever, you know, and you just kind of like wanting to veg out and write down all your feelings or whatever, or you can use it as an appointment book or however you want to do it. But anyways, I just kind of take my stickers and put them here and write little funny sayings on it and all that. These are great because you can take them with you. Like I said, you can decorate the front of them, decorate the back of them, you know, and it's all up to you on how many pages that you want to put in yours too. So you can actually do tons and tons of these and just have them sitting there, you know, in your craft room, put them in your bags, whatever. All right, well, thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like the tutorial. This is This is going to be a really, really easy one for you to do. Like I said, instead of just going out and buying little books, you can make your own. And you can make them out of whatever cover that you'd like. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. Have a nice night.